Hey guys, I am Jess Rips and I am about to embark on a 4,000-mile motorcycle journey starting in South Florida, heading up to New York, over to Canada, down to Laconia, and then back home. Some of it will be solo and some of it will be with a great group of women I'm super excited to ride with. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I pack my motorcycle for this journey. So some of it will be camping and a little bit will be not camping, but we got to bring everything with us. So ton of luggage, and I'm going to show you how I pack my bike. Come on. First thing I do is apply painter's tape to my remote reservoir suspension. Next, I install the sissy bar, which is followed up by installing the luggage rack. The first thing I place onto my luggage rack is my rain gear. The rain gear that I use, if I put it on the luggage rack, it's still easily accessible and it allows me to have a little extra room in my bag. Then I place my luggage bag on top of the rain gear, which is secured to the sissy bar with the straps that are built into the bag. This is great because it allows the bag to be cinched tightly to the bar, and I know that it is secure and a solid firm base for the rest of the luggage. In front of the sissy bar, I then place a large dry bag. This bag is secured with bungee straps. Typically I do 2 across the middle of the bag and then do an X shape with 2 more over the bag. I got this backrest on Amazon, like 20 bucks, 100% worth it. I strap it right to my packs. I'm able to, pull it down, lift it up, however I'm laying or getting more comfortable for long distance. The last items I do is secure a little half net across. I strap it to the big bag, I strap it to the outside bag, and for this, it comes in super handy. Last but not least, it's time to get her cleaned up. Everything's packed and all set, and we are ready to start this journey.